Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting announcements from CES 2025, the Lenovo Legion Go S. This device marks a bold step forward in handheld gaming PCs, combining innovation with portability and introducing groundbreaking features, including a SteamOS version. Let's break it all down. Innovative design and portability. The Lenovo Legion Go S builds upon the success of its predecessor, the Legion Go, which was known for its detachable controllers and innovative design. This time, Lenovo has refined its approach to deliver a sleeker, more portable device while retaining its standout features. With an 8-inch display, down slightly from the 8.8-inch OLED screen of the original, the Legion Go S strikes a balance between screen real estate and portability. The resolution has been adjusted to 1920 by 1200, which aligns better with the AMD Z1 Extreme chip, ensuring smoother performance and better efficiency. Moreover, the refresh rate has been fine-tuned to 120 Hz, now featuring VRR, variable refresh rate, support for enhanced visual fluidity during gameplay. Enhanced display and input features. One of the most noticeable updates is the change in the D-pad design. Lenovo has opted for a circular pivot-style D-pad, replacing the traditional cross-shaped configuration. While some might prefer the older design, this new layout enhances versatility for various gaming genres. The magnetic Hall effect joysticks remain a highlight, offering precision and durability that gamers love. Additionally, the Legion button has been updated to launch the improved Legion Space app, which now runs more smoothly and provides a comprehensive suite of features for system management and game optimization. Redesigned ergonomics and controls. Lenovo has carefully restructured the control layout. The menu buttons have been repositioned for intuitive access, while the face buttons offer a slightly softer tactile response without sacrificing quality. The smaller touchpad, now more trackball-like, fits seamlessly into the compact design while maintaining its functionality. Front-facing speakers and a traditional 3.5mm headphone jack ensure an immersive audio experience, while the USB 4 ports are conveniently located side by side for easier connectivity. Additionally, Lenovo has included adjustable shoulder buttons and rear paddles, catering to gamers who prioritize customization and comfort. Storage and upgradability. A standout feature of the Legion Go S is its upgradability. The device supports a full-size 2280 SSD slot, making it easier and more affordable to increase storage capacity. Out of the box, it comes with a smaller 2240 SSD, but the ability to upgrade to a larger, standard-sized SSD adds significant value for tech-savvy users. A microSD card slot also provides additional storage flexibility, making the device ideal for gamers with extensive libraries. SteamOS integration. One of the most exciting announcements is the introduction of a SteamOS version of the Legion Go S. This marks Lenovo as the first major third-party manufacturer to offer a Steam Deck alternative with pre-installed SteamOS. Gamers now have the choice between the familiar Windows 11 version and the streamlined, gaming-focused SteamOS version. The SteamOS version will come in black, contrasting with the white Windows 11 model. While both versions share identical hardware specifications, the SteamOS variant is priced more competitively at $600 for the 16GB RAM configuration, set to launch in May 2025. Meanwhile, the Windows 11 version, featuring a 32GB RAM configuration, will be available earlier in January for $730. Legion Glasses 2. A perfect companion. Lenovo also revealed an updated version of its Legion glasses. The Legion Glasses 2 offers improved brightness, sharper visuals, and a wider field of view. Stylish and portable, these glasses now include detachable cables and built-in microphones, catering to users who want a private and immersive experience, whether gaming on the go or taking calls. While not bundled with the Legion Go S, they serve as an excellent accessory for those seeking an enhanced visual experience. Why the Legion Go S stands out. The Legion Go S takes everything great about the original Legion Go and refines it for a more versatile gaming experience. With better portability, enhanced display options, and a choice between Windows 11 and SteamOS, it's clear that Lenovo is aiming to cater to a broader audience. The upgradable storage and the inclusion of high-quality components like magnetic Hall effect joysticks and customizable controls make it a compelling choice for gaming enthusiasts. Final thoughts. The Lenovo Legion Go S sets a new standard for handheld gaming PCs. Its balance of portability, power, and innovation ensures it stands out in a crowded market. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, the Legion Go S offers features that cater to a wide range of needs. The addition of the SteamOS version is a particularly exciting development, signaling a future where third-party Steam Deck alternatives become more common. Thank you for tuning into Techno Trend Zone. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more updates, reviews, and deep dives into the latest tech. Let us know in the comments. Are you more excited about the SteamOS or Windows 11 version of the Legion Go S? See you in the next video.